What's the meaning of clothespin? Clothespin. Clothespin.
Clothespin. Clothespin. A clothespin is a simple device used to hold clothing on a clothesline or drying rack. It typically consists of two prongs that can be opened and closed by a spring mechanism, and is often made of wood or plastic. The prongs are used to grip the edge of the clothing item, allowing it to hang securely while it dries in the fresh air. Clothespins come in a variety of sizes and styles, and are still commonly used today as a convenient and environmentally friendly alternative to electric dryers.